Look how the birds treat me for feeding them. They be sitting right there while I'm smoking in the whip, see 'em? Look at all of them. See what I mean? This is every day. All facing me, see that? I swear, these birds love me. That's what happens when you feed the animals. They actually want to be around you and don't run away from you. See? No, this is the second day. Different kind of birds, once again, chilling outside my car because I feed them. This is crazy. This always happens. It's like they know, like, when I'm heading to my car or whatever. Just sit there staring at me. All of them, look at this. It's real. In case people thought I was lying when you seen the last video. Look how they all keep coming over all of a sudden. See that? Getting closer and closer. You see that, right? It's every day, yo. Like they talking to me or something. You see how many birds are here?